Welcome back to Reverend Render YT, where we explore the most exclusive and luxurious vehicles shaping the American automotive scene. Today we're diving deep into pure elegance and craftsmanship with the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S Haute Voiture. This is not just a car, it's a statement of luxury designed for those who demand the absolute best. From its refined sound profile to its breathtaking interior and commanding exterior, this Maybach represents the highest level of automotive sophistication available in the US market. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S 640 Haute Voiture instantly separates itself from anything else on the road. The design is graceful yet authoritative, blending classic Maybach styling with modern Mercedes innovation. The front features the iconic Maybach grille with vertical chrome slats that reflect light beautifully, paired with sleek LED headlights that give the car a calm but confident presence. The exclusive two-tone paint finish is one of the highlights, carefully crafted to emphasize elegance rather than aggression. Chrome accents are tastefully applied around the windows, door handles and lower body, reinforcing its ultra-luxury identity. The long wheelbase creates a smooth, stretched silhouette that communicates prestige and comfort, something American luxury buyers truly appreciate. Every angle of this car feels intentional, polished, and unmistakably premium. Step inside, and the interior of the S680 Haute Voiture feels more like a private luxury lounge than a vehicle. Mercedes-Maybach has gone all in on craftsmanship, using the finest leathers, detailed stitching, wood trims, and metal accents. The color scheme is elegant and unique, inspired by high-fashion design, giving the cabin a warm, inviting atmosphere. The seats are incredibly plush and fully adjustable, with heating, cooling, massage, and memory functions. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with executive seating that reclines, extends leg rests, and offers individual climate controls. The ambient lighting system is soft and customizable, creating a relaxing environment whether it's day or night. The dashboard is dominated by large digital displays that are sharp, responsive and beautifully integrated, offering navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls at your fingertips. Cabin space is generous, quiet, and perfectly insulated, making long drives or chauffeured rides effortless. When it comes to sound, the 2025 Maybach S 680 delivers excellence on every level. The engine sound is nearly silent inside the cabin, offering a whisper-quiet ride that defines true luxury. Outside, the V12 produces a smooth, refined tone rather than an aggressive roar, perfectly matching the car's elegant personality. Inside, the Burmester high-end 4D surround sound system takes center stage. Music feels immersive, rich, and crystal clear, with deep bass and precise highs evenly distributed throughout the cabin. Whether you're enjoying classical music, jazz, or modern playlists, the sound quality is nothing short of exceptional, making every drive feel like a first-class experience. Under the hood, performance is powered by a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine that delivers effortless power. The acceleration is smooth and immediate, pushing the car forward with authority while maintaining absolute composure. Despite its size and weight, the S680 feels refined and confident on American highways. The suspension system adapts to the road, absorbing bumps and imperfections, so well that passengers barely notice rough surfaces. Steering is light and precise, designed for comfort rather than sportiness, which suits the Maybach's purpose perfectly. This car isn't about aggressive driving, it's about seamless, controlled motion that prioritizes comfort above all else. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S 640 Haute Voiture sits at the very top of the luxury sedan segment. In the United States, pricing is expected to start well above $350,000, with exclusivity and limited availability pushing the value even higher. While this places it far beyond the reach of most buyers, those who can afford it aren't just purchasing transportation. They're investing in craftsmanship, heritage, and unmatched comfort. Compared to other ultra-luxury sedans, the S680 Haute Voiture stands out with its unique design, inspiration and attention to detail that few competitors can match. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S 680 Haute Voiture is the definition of modern luxury, combining timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology and world-class comfort. From its refined exterior presence and lavish interior to its whisper-quiet sound and smooth V12 performance, this car represents the pinnacle of what luxury sedans offer in America today. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who appreciates true luxury, and subscribe to Rev and Render YT for more in-depth reviews of the world's most extraordinary vehicles. We'll see you in the next one.